Comparative education. In this class, we will learn about comparative education. Meaning, characteristics, scope, and purpose of comparative education. Meaning of comparative education. The history of comparative education can be traced back from human civilization. It is mainly used to differentiate between man and woman for improvement in life. For improvement in life, comparison has been made. The same thing in education field. Reformers and educationists have been comparing their system with that found in the other countries to improve their own. It emphasizes on use of data from another educational system. Comparative education is the analysis of commonness and differences found in the educational system of various countries. The main purpose is to effect reforms in one educational system's problems. If our systems have any problems, we will find solution from the other country's educational system. For that, we will use comparative education. Through comparative education, we will identify commonness and differences found in the other educational system. Comparative education is an analytical study of environmental forces and historical factors that shape the educational system of different countries, of their problems, and will get attempted to solution for our educational system through comparative basis. Meaning of comparative education. According to Nicholas Hans, it is a systematic examination of cultures, in particular their system of education, in order to discover similarities and differences, mainly used for commonness and differences of other countries. Characteristics of comparative education. The knowledge of what is happening globally. Through comparative education, we will understand what is happening globally now, and it will allow individual to contribute in our national progress. Present society needs citizens who can cope up with developing and developed countries of the world for the future society. We need to adopt the good characteristics of other countries in regard. Comparative education help us a lot. Through comparative education, we will understand what's happening globally. Through that, we can implement a good things from that country, and it will makes our system also works easily. It is helping reducing errors and drawbacks of one's educational system. It will improve our educational system and it will reduce errors in our educational system. Scope of comparative education. It has scope in philosophical and educational system. It also called as a theoretical aspects of education which determine form of education. It can be used in educational management, administration, supervision, and inspection. The objectives of educational, general or specific objectives of education at different levels can be improved through comparative education. It can be used to format curriculum at different level. It can be used in teaching methods, techniques, study of the examination system, problem of teacher education, open, distance, and special education. In comparative education has scope in all field of education. The purpose of comparative education. The analysis of various historical factors of nation that were be responsible for different educational system. So the purpose of comparative education is to understand the historical factors and environmental factors that shapes others' educational system. The comparison of current solutions found by nations to solve their problem in their own system. If our system has any problems or we have an errors, so through comparative studies we will understand how to rectify and we will get a solution for that. The study of uniqueness, similarities and differences of education and ideas of one with another countries. Comparative education studies uniqueness, similarities, differences of education system or ideas of ones with another country. It is an analytical study of environmental forces, historical factors that shape the education system of different countries and attempt to find a solution of their problems on comparative basis. So it is used for improvement and rectifying our current problem and we will get a solution through comparative education. Comparative education covers wide area which include educational philosophy, etc. So this is for comparative education. I think you all understand about comparative education meaning, characteristics, scopes and purpose. Thank you all. Please subscribe the channel.